So good afternoon to all those who are present here, those who came late particularly. And as you know very well, today we are supposed to start with the question answers of chapter Inside Our Earth. Yesterday we completed with the topic, and today we'll do the question answers. And you know very well, this is the last topic of your PT1. Rest whole syllabus we people have finished. Last question answer of PT1 till May exam we are going to start now. And after this, definitely we'll start with the revision. And you should go through the chapter. Whenever question is about questions back exercise, I always say in final exams, yeah, in board, PT1, PT3, PT2, PT4, we won't get questions directly from the back exercise. We have always questions from the chapter. So if you really want to score marks, you have to go through the chapter. Don't depend only and only on back exercise, otherwise you would be lost. And particularly if you are talking about these two chapters, Inside Our Earth, this chapter Inside Our Earth and the previous chapter Environment, whatever diagrams are there, you are supposed to do that on your notebook, as well as it would be tested in your test. For example, Inside Our Earth chapter, if you are talking about, there is one diagram of Inside Our Earth. There are 3 layers, crust, mantle, core. We have already done that diagram. Then the second diagram, that is about rock cycle, that also we have done. How rock cycle is formed and all that we have done. Okay, so these two diagrams from Inside Our Earth, you are supposed to learn it in the sense you are supposed to understand it, you are supposed to do practice of it, and you are supposed to do it on your notebook whenever you will send your notebooks to me. You can, after the completion of today's back exercise, you can send your notebook today, you can send me your notebook tomorrow, you can send me your notebooks, you have time till Monday. Monday ke baad, I'm not going to check any of your notebooks. Is this point clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If you think
Yes,
these
ma'am.
days are very less,
Yes, ma'am.
Monday tak is not possible, have no problem. You can have Tuesday, you can have Wednesday. But once a day, I give a day, say Monday I have given. After that, if on Tuesday you will send your notebook, I will not check at all and I'll give you 0 to you. So choice is yours. You want Monday, till Monday, are you able to complete your work, all of you, or you need more time? If you need more time, I have no problem. And let it be Tuesday, let it be Wednesday, let it be Thursday, up to you. But after a fixed day, after that, I will not accept your notebook. So Monday, is it okay to those who are present here? Is it okay? Monday is
Yes,
okay?
ma'am.
All of you would be able
Yes,
to do it?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. That's really good, really good. So Monday ke baad, what I will do, I will delete the group of notebook checking. And then you can't send notebooks to me. And definitely if you are sending on personal number, what does it mean? You are late and I will not check your notebook. Whosoever will send notebooks on my personal number, I will not check. If you are sending a notebook till Monday in a group, I will check. So with this, I'm going to start with the question answers. All of your answers should be ready. Your mind.
मैम
Yes, Bataji. Yes, Kanam.
मैम आई सेंट माय सिविक्स नोटबुक इन ग्रुप मैम मेरे को चेक होके नहीं मिली मैम
Beta, abhi I haven't. Because so many students
Okay,
are
ma'am.
daily they are updating, sending their notebooks. Sometimes it create confusion. Which notebook I have checked, I have sent it back or not. So that's why I'll take one time. I'll sit and I'll check whole of the notebooks and I'll send it back to you as I did in the previous chapter. So
Okay,
still
ma'am.
every day students are sending me the notebook. Sometimes it is because mobile पे है, तो sometimes it is technical issue हो जाता है कि we don't come to know we have checked it or not, है ना? So I'll check and I'll return it to you soon. Got it, ji?
Okay, ma'am.
So
Thank you.
I'm coming to you with the question answers. Your eyes, your ear, this brain should entirely be with me, as my eyes, brain, and ears are with you. And your hand should have some pen. You can note down, you can listen, entirely up to you. Entirely up to you. Later on, ये नहीं कहना मैम ये please बताना. I will not. I'm not going to dictate the answer. We'll discuss the answer. Got it? So many hands up in the first question only. Though I haven't announced any question. That's really good. That indicate. Akriti, beta ji, disturbance is there or someone else side? Yes, thank you, beta. So let's start. Okay, I'll ask question from Akriti. No, Akriti disturbance both, you know. Prerna. Yes, Prerna. First question is, what are 3 layers of earth? Prerna. Whenever I ask Prerna from Prerna, she never responds, but her hand is always up. Prerna, are you here? Prerna, are you here? Answer first question, bache. If you are here. If you are not here, kindly put your hand down. Otherwise, I'll remove you from the class. Because 2 days back, same happened with me. I noticed your name. Prerna, last time I'm calling your name. Yeah. Krishna. Yes, bache, answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer, beta.
Ma'am, 3 layers of the earth are inner core, outer core, mantle or crust.
ये तो 4 हो गई, Krishna. So where we are committing a mistake, find out. Answer is
Ma'am,
correct.
inner crust, outer crust or crust?
Inner crust, outer crust,
Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, inner core, outer core or inner crust?
mental has gone mental. थोड़ी सी कंफ्यूजन होगी कृष्णा, अभी इसको सॉर्ट आउट करते हैं. नॉट अ बिग डील फॉर अस. छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम है और ये छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम कृष्णा ही सॉल्व करेगा. कृष्णा, you have a book right now in your hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Open the book, beta. Take out the first page of your wherever we have a diagram. Take out that page, bache.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, beta ji. Just check the diagram. Have you checked, beta? Have you seen, bache?
Yes, ma'am.
So first at the top it is crust is written. Krishna.
Ma'am, first is crust.
उसके बाद we have mantle.
Yes, ma'am.
उसके बाद 2 are written ना.
Yes, ma'am.
वो क्या लिखा है बेटा उस पे 2 पे?
Ma'am, inner and outer core.
हाँ, it means third layer. Third layer is what?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of the third layer, which is subdivided into 2 parts?
Ma'am, आपकी आवाज मैम क्लियर नहीं आ रही.
Oh, अच्छा. Rest of you kindly switch off your speaker. Akriti, kindly switch off your speaker, बच्चे. Thank you. Krishna, is it audible now? Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, on your book you have given me the name of crust. You have given me the name of mantle, and I'm saying there are 2 more words are written there. That is inner core and outer core. Am I right, beta?
Ma'am, yes.
हाँ, तो दोनों का नाम क्या है? Core, inner and outer. So third layer is core, which is further divided into 2 parts. And which are those 2 parts? Inner core and outer core. Is this point clear, बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
How many layers are there now, Krishna?
Yes, ma'am.
How many layers are there now?
Ma'am, कोई भी नहीं.
How many layers are there of the earth crust? Of the earth?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Layers. Ma'am,
No,
3 layers.
I'm just talking to Krishna right now. Please, rest of you, please. Yeah, 3 layers. Hello, Krishna. So which are those 3 layers?
Ma'am, crust, mantle, inner and outer core.
Inner and outer core ko we'll take one name. And what is the name of that one name?
Inner and outer core.
Inner and outer core are the two parts of third layer, and name of the layer is core. So we have three layers: crust, mantle, core. Three layers we have. Core is subdivided. Core is further divided into two subparts. And which are those two subparts? Inner core and outer core. Now tell me the answer, Krishna. How many layers do we have? Our answer should be correct.
Ma'am, there are 3 layers: crust, mantle, and core.
Very good. And core is divided into how many layers?
Ma'am, in 2 layers, inner and outer core.
हो गया answer clear? Full mark?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now all of you. If this question is of 1 mark, you would write down this answer, whatever we have spoken. If question is of 5 mark, say question 5 mark mein aa gaya, so automatically you have to write down thorough answer. Now thorough answer means what? In your notebook you will note down this much only, okay? But thorough answer mein kya karoge aap? Thorough answer mein you will write down in detail about crust, mantle and core. Kya karoge isme? Any one of you? If answer is in detail.
Can I?
Yeah, sure. Bhavesh. Bhavesh.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Bhavesh.
There are, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm.
Bhavesh, can't you speak? Switch on your video, beta. Though it is not compulsion, but yeah, you're a handsome boy, good looking, charming boy. Speak up, Hanji.
There are 3 layers of earth. They are crust, mantle, and core. Crust. The uppermost layer over the earth's surface is called the crust. It is the thinnest of all the layers. It is about 35 kilometers on the continental mass.
Mass, वो वाला mass नहीं है ये, mass, volume.
It is called an alumina. Second, mantle.
It is known as. It is called as.
Alumina.
कुछ wrong बोल रहे हो बेटा? क्या wrong चल रहा है? Alumina तो नहीं है. Anyone, what's wrong? He's using something. Yeah, maybe I'm not.
Ma'am, it is made up of continental mass. It is made up of silica and alumina called Sial.
Sial, right? है ना? Bhavesh, answer is correct. It is made up of silica and alumina, and collectively we call it as Sial. Bhavesh, clear बच्चे?
Yes, mantle. Mantle is the beneath.
We won't speak about oceanic crust. उसको छोड़ दे.
Yes.
Oceanic crust को छोड़ दे. सीमा, सिलिका एंड मैग्नीशियम. वो भी करना है ना. तो इसके बाद मेंटल we have to explain, right? Then we have to explain core thoroughly. Here my point is, if question is of 5 mark in your exam, you have to elaborate all these crusts like Bhavesh has elaborated. Bhavesh, switch off your speaker beta for disturbance. Thank you. So we have to elaborate like crust he has elaborated. In the same way we have to elaborate mantle, and in the same way we have to elaborate core. And बहुत important point. Any one of you, what else we have to elaborate? We have to do here. Anyone? To score 5. Yes, Rishita. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Earth is made up of three layers.
I don't want answer. This already we have discussed. My question is, if this question is of 5 mark, crust, mantle, core, all this we will elaborate as this Bhavesh has elaborated. Say crust he has elaborated. Na? Except crust, except elaboration of mantle, except elaboration of core, what else we have to add here to score 5 out of 5?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, that we have only covered 6 kilometers of the earth.
No, वो तो अरे that तो you have to do. Theoretical तो we have to do. Yes, Kanav. Yes, Kanav.
These layers are like 1 another
No.
just like onion.
You're not getting me. Diagram. Very right.
Crust forms.
Who has given
Ma'am,
this answer?
diagram.
Yeah, diagram we have to do it. बेटा जी 5 मार्क में फुल एलेबोरेशन तो हमें करनी ही है, ऑफ क्रस्ट, ऑफ मेंटल, ऑफ कोर, सारा करना है, बट साइड बाय साइड डायग्राम. इफ यू वोंट मेक डायग्राम, आई विल डिलीट योर मार्क्स. So choice is yours. You want to give marks to me or you want to get marks from me. Get करना है कि give करना है, entirely in your hands. Got it? Coming to second question now. Yes, Puranjay, second question, बच्चे. What is a rock?
When the Earth's crust is made up of various types of rocks, any natural mass of minerals matter that make up Earth crust is called rock. Rock can be of any color, any size and texture. There are 3 types of rocks: igneous
Igneous. Speak up.
igneous rock,
Hmm.
igneous rocks, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock.
Yeah, that's right. So first of all, you will write down about the meaning of rock. Then you will do the write down the types of rock: igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary. If this question is 1 mark, enough. If this question is a 5 mark, you have to elaborate all the rocks. Okay, beta? Now, I would like to ask the same question from one more child, that is, let it be Pranav. I never asked from this child. Pranav, yes, beta. Where
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Pranav? Show me your face. Switch on your video if you can afford to do that. If you can switch on, not compulsion. If you can.
मैम लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट
No,
होती है पीछे से.
no, no problem, no problem. Light reflect होती है पीछे से, तो we give a feeling of a some divine person, है ना? कोई देवी देवता की तरह. Light comes from the back. Yeah, Pranav, you are so right, so right. Your face is totally dark and light is coming from the back. So we are not we won't answer from you. Yes, Pranav ji. Some divine
Yes.
path. Hmm.
Natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the earth crust is called a rock. Rocks
Hmm.
can be of different color, size, and texture.
Yeah, right.
There are three major type of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks.
Okay, okay, right. Very right. Anything else? Any one of you want to add in this answer?
Can I tell?
Otherwise, yeah, sure, bache. Sure.
Ma'am, a rock is a natural substance made from one or more minerals.
This point you can add. It can be made up of one mineral. It can be made up of more than one mineral. If rock is made up of one mineral, you know what it is called? It is called ore, O-R-E. If it is made up of one mineral only. Okay? Okay, carry on, beta. Very good. Kanav?
Ma'am, it has different shape and texture. For example, a granite, a common rock, and the Earth's outer solid layer called lithosphere. It is also made up of rocks.
That's right. Okay, is there any Kashish Bhagat in your class, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
Okay. So very right answer given by all of you. 2 or 3 students have given perfect answer. Again, with this, I would like
Can I tell?
Excuse me, ma'am.
something is left. Okay, sure, bachcha, carry on. कोई point
Excuse
रह
me,
गया
ma'am.
तो हाँ जी.
Ma'am,
ਹਾਂਜੀ.
Prerna is saying that, ma'am, when you say her name, ma'am, she is unable to mute herself.
But why?
Ma'am, वो कह
Because
रही है please. Ma'am, वो कह रही है मेरे को क्लास में ले लो.
बेटा मैंने तो उसको she is already in the class. 39 roll number Prerna 7C is visible here. I haven't thrown her out of the class. She's already in the class. A speaker
Ma'am,
as
वो
well as. Tell her she's already in the class. If she won't, I can click the pic and send it to her. She's
Yes,
already
ma'am.
in the class.
Can I tell?
Okay. Yeah, sure, but say something is left, so you can tell definitely.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Any natural mass of the mineral metal that makes up the Earth's crust is known as rock. Rock can be of different color, size, and texture. Rocks are very useful to us as they are used for construction of roads, houses, and buildings.
This point, very
They are-
right. हाँ, ये पॉइंट और किसी ने नहीं बताया कि यूजफुलनेस ऑफ रॉक कैन बी आस्क्ड, कैन यू कैन राइट डाउन हियर कि rocks are useful to us because can be used for various constructional purposes or for various grinding purposes or metals, important the things we obtain from rocks. Good Bhavya, and your voice is really very pretty. बहुत beautiful voice है आपकी भव्या.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, done. चलो जी, करें अब next question. हाँ जी. Next.
Can we write there are two types of igneous rocks, extrusive igneous rocks and intrusive igneous rocks?
ना, इसमें नहीं लिखना है. If question is of 5 mark, अगर तो आपने लिखना है से question is what are rocks, तो simple लिख दिया, फिर types of rocks लिख दिया, फिर igneous, metamorphic and sedimentary have elaborated, फिर आप उसके further you will write down igneous rocks you can classify into intrusive and extrusive if it is of 5 mark. लेकिन यहाँ पे हमें simple question पूछा है what is a rock, so just have to write down name of the rock, I mean what is a rock and its 3 types. But if it is of 5 mark, then you are supposed to write down everything. फिर कुछ नहीं पूछना मैम, ये लिख सकते हैं, फिर सब कुछ ही लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है बेटा? Okay. Now next is 3 types of rocks. Okay. Coming to आकृति, या बेटा आकृति, आपसे नहीं क्वेश्चन हम भी पूछना अभी. आकृति, 3 types of rocks. Puranjay,
Can I answer?
There are 3 types of rocks. They are igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. There are 2 types of igneous rock: intrusive igneous rock and explosive igneous rock.
igneous rock बेटा. पुरंजय, ignition वाली, igneous आग से बनती है. ठीक है? So definitely question is what are 3 types of rocks? So 3 type of rocks are, we have igneous, metamorphic and sedimentary, and isko if it is again of 5 mark, then you have to elaborate thoroughly. So elaboration I guess lengthy में नहीं आ रहा आगे ना? I don't think so. So no problem, I'm going to speak 3 types of rock one by one. मैं थोड़ा speed up करूंगी because already we have discussed it. So igneous rocks are the rocks which are formed due to solidification of lava. When volcano erupt, lava comes out. When lava cool down, solidify, igneous rocks are formed. Igneous rocks we can classify into 2 parts: intrusive igneous rocks, extrusive igneous rocks. Intrusive igneous rocks are those rocks which cool down under the earth, doesn't come out. For example, granite. Extrusive igneous rocks are those rocks which come out of the on the surface. For example, basalt. Then, igneous rocks are also known as primary rocks or basic rocks. Second, sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are the rocks which are formed due to deposition of the sediments. The sediments which are brought down by rivers, winds, glaciers, sea waves. And sedimentary rocks are rich in fossil fuel. They are always in the form of layers. Their deposition is in the form of layers. And third type of rocks we have metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are those rocks which are formed due to high temperature and great pressure on igneous and sedimentary rocks. Some chemical changes take place. Igneous and sedimentary rocks turn into metamorphic rock. A very good example of metamorphic rock, that is of limestone से हमें क्या बन जाता है? Marble. So that is clay से slate. That is an example of metamorphic rock. और भी इसको बढ़िया करना है. With this, though it is not asked, but yes, you can make a rock cycle also. This would be a diagram. If people would make, so automatically it would become more scoring. So, any doubt in this question to any one of you? No?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay, very good. Next is what are extrusive and intrusive igneous rocks. Already we have done, but with this, you people are supposed to make diagram. Remember the diagram which we have seen already? याद है, basalt and granite and lava is coming out. Remember the diagram?
Yes.
The same diagram you can make here. ठीक है? Okay. What do you mean by rock cycle? This diagram is must with this question. What do you mean by rock cycle? हाँ जी, who's this? नहीं करना, हमेशा आप ही थोड़ी. There are so many students in the class. बानी, आपकी टर्न नहीं आई बानी. या बानी?
Yes, ma'am. Rock cycle is the process of transformation of rock from one to another type is known as the rock cycle.
Right.
The base of the rock cycle are the igneous rocks, also known as primary rocks. When the igneous rocks break down into pieces, they mix with other sediments and dead bodies of plants and animals, convert into sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks, many layers build upon sedimentary rocks, and with that pressure there is a change in them and they turn into metamorphic rocks. This is known as the rock cycle.
And
Rock
metamorphic
cycle
rocks, the lowermost layers of metamorphic rocks, it goes under the earth crust and again it comes out in the form of igneous rock.
lava.
है ना? हाँ, lava. Very right. If anyone is not clear with the answer, ask me right now. The answer given by this girl, Bani. Or if you have any doubt, or if you think answer is not clear. No one of you,
No, ma'am.
all of you clear with the answer? And with this, you are supposed to make diagram. Okay, what are the uses of rock? Simple.
Ma'am, can I answer?
कृष्णा, हाँ, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
आप वहां से यहाँ घूमते हुए आ गए किसी और रूम में. Signal problem was here. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, rocks are very useful to us. The hard rocks are used for making roads, houses, and buildings.
Very good.
The rocks used in many games like 7 stones, 5 stones, or
ये कौन?
hopscotch.
Which are these games? 7 stones and 5. Yes, उठा के खेलते हैं. I guess वही
Ma'am,
होगी.
no,
Okay.
बुक में मेंशन
Ma'am,
है ये वाली
pithu or
games.
chapu.
हाँ, पिट्ठू. Yeah, right. हाँ, we use rocks. Right, very right. We use pebbles, है ना? हाँ, बहुत जोरों से लगती है बॉल. Yeah. तभी तो इसको बोलते हैं पिट्ठू. पीठ को सेकना with full force.
Yes,
Right, Krishna, carry on with the answer. We are enjoying your answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Bahan.
the rocks are also used for made many things like ornaments, hammers.
Hammer. पहले क्या बोला? Ornaments.
Ma'am, ornaments.
Ornaments.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is ornament?
Ma'am, ornaments are the jewelry like stones.
हाँ, जो मम्मा डालते हैं ना, मैम्स डालते हैं. Right. Jewelry. Okay. What else?
Yes, ma'am.
That's it. Okay.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, sure, my dear. Sure, my dear Rishita.
Yes, ma'am. The rocks are very useful to us. They are used in the construction of houses, buildings, roads, etc. Rocks are the precious metals like gold, silver, etc. Sedimentary rocks are rich in fossil fuels. Rocks help us to consume minerals. Rocks are used in many games like Seven Stones.
Rock help us to consume minerals.
Yes, ma'am.
Rocks help us to consume mineral. Line क्या बनी? Consume minerals. Rocks help us. कुछ word कुछ और होगा. नहीं, कुछ और word होगा. Consume is not a right word here. मतलब rocks help us to digest minerals. हाँ, ये line नहीं. ये line को निकाल दो. Something else you want to say something? हाँ जी. और? That's it. That's good.
Yes,
So,
yes, ma'am.
right answer given by Rishita. Right answer given by Krishna. So good.
Can it?
Same question. Same question.
Yes.
No need. Okay, next, give reason. We cannot go to the center of the earth. Oh my God, such a beautiful question.
Ma'am, last question रह गया.
Ma'am,
कौन
last
सा?
question that's it. Ma'am,
Which one
what
is?
are
Metamorphic rocks.
अरे मुझे लगा ये तो हमने कर लिया है in the rock cycle. I used my common sense. Igneous we have discussed, sedimentary we have discussed,
Yes,
metamorphic
ma'am.
also we have discussed.
We
है ना? Same answer is here. So metamorphic
Yes,
rocks
ma'am.
are the rocks which get changed because of high temperature and pressure whenever it is on sedimentary or igneous rocks. So chemical changes.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? So we have already discussed this. So that's why मैंने छोड़ दिया था. But I appreciate you people are attentive. पूरा ध्यान है कि मैम को क्वेश्चन छोड़ तो नहीं रहे हैं. Okay, so this question already we had discussed, so that's why I left that question. Okay, now give reason why we can't go deep under the earth, center of the earth.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Kanav, Hansi always.
Ma'am, the center of the earth is lying about 6,000 kilometers from the ocean. It has extremely high temperature and pressure. There is only molten magma at the earth's center. There is no oxygen. Such conditions do not allow us to survive at the center of the earth.
So
Thus,
very
we
right.
cannot go
Go to the center
at
of
the
the
center.
we cannot go to the center of the earth because of extreme high temperature, extreme high pressure. Lava is there. It's not 6,000 degrees Celsius temperature is there, which is not at all possible allow us to go there. And we have gone just till 6 kilometers, till rather 4 kilometers. 6 तक तो हमने petroleum निकाला है. ठीक है? Okay, next is we have to end up, है ना? I know, but two questions are there. I really want it should be ended up here only. Sedimentary rocks are formed from sediments. Any one of you? Already we have discussed sedimentary rocks. Same question it is.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, sure.
Can-
This is Krishna. Oh, no, Krishna ke to turn is says over. Yeah, Rishita.
Yes, ma'am. The rivers start flowing and the sediments break into small particles. And when the dead decaying animals, plants, and the other sediments compress with each other for long time of period, several layers are formed, causing sedimentary rocks. And sedimentary rocks are rich in fossil fuels.
Very perfect answer, Rishita. Perfect answer. Sedimentary rocks are formed due to the deposition of the sediments, which are brought down by various stages of gradation. Layers and layers of sediment get deposited. Even fossil fuels are also we get from these sedimentary rocks. Done. Limestone is changed into marble due to which process?
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, sure.